Hello students, this is Shobik, your instructor. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, yesterday I told you that today I'm gonna start the string section, but before we do, I think it is important to revise these conditional statements. In this video, we will discuss a little bit about conditional statements, if, else if, while, for, all these things. Okay, now I know this is very boring, but you have all these in your 30 marks, okay, of your Python section in your board examination. So these all are very important for your board examination. So let's start with if. uh, I'm not going to discuss in details, but uh, I will do some exercise. In that way, you can recapitulate the whole thing again. Okay. So first, we'll talk about if. Let's take a variable where a uh, and int input, enter your age. Now, if a where a greater than 18, print you just type say eligible eligible for vote. uh, so run the program, enter your age, let's say 20, eligible, run it again, 10, nothing happened. Okay, now for that we need the else part. Print not eligible. Okay, now if I do type 10, then not eligible. See, okay. Now the elif part. Elif where a greater than 15, print partly eligible. I don't know guys what is this, but I'm just using this for and discussion purpose. And the else part here, print not eligible. Okay, enter your age, like if I do 17, partly eligible. Okay, now 23, eligible, and 12, not eligible. Program is running well. Okay, now this one is if, elif, and else. I hope you all remember all these things. Okay, now next is nested if loop. Okay, enter your value. If where a greater than 100, then again if where a greater than 150, print it is more than 150, else not more than 150. Okay. Okay, and the else part here again, if where a less than 50, print less than 50. Elif, we are using an elif here, where a less than greater than 50, let's say 80, print it is greater than 80. Okay, so run the program. One 52, it is more than 50 here in this section, it is more than 50. Okay, run the program again. 130, not more than 50, this section. Clear? Okay, again. 80, nothing happened. Why? Nothing happened. Why? Okay, 80 less than 50. Why so? Less than 100. Guys, I'm keeping my errors here, thus you can learn from it. I know you all know all these things. 80 less than 100. Okay, clear? Okay. Okay, the video is becoming lengthy, so I think we should discuss for loop or while loop in our next video. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.